In this video, we'll show you how to deploy MySQL on Cuemby Cloud quickly and easily. Throughout the video, we'll configure the instance, select the necessary resources, and prepare the deployment from the Cuemby Cloud platform. We'll set a password to access the MySQL service. We'll then click the Review and Deploy button while the service is being provisioned. It's also worth understanding 3 important points for the client. First, the network, because MySQL can be made available for internal communication between services or enabled with a public IP address if controlled external access is required. Second, the environment's availability so that the database is ready to operate. And third, the importance of backups, which help protect information and provide peace of mind in case of any incident or recovery need. MySQL is a well-known and widely used relational database for web applications, transactional systems, and environments where structured information management is required. Finally, we'll verify that MySQL is operational and ready to connect to applications, dashboards, or service you need a reliable database. With this, the client not only sees how to deploy MySQL, but also how to host it on Cuemby Cloud with a clear database of infrastructure, connectivity, and backups to work with greater confidence.